Welcome to our journey through the cosmos. Today, we're diving into some of the most mind-blowing facts about space life that you've probably never heard of. Buckle up and get ready to have your mind blown. First stop, the International Space Station. Did you know that astronauts on the ISS experience 16 sunrises and sunsets every single day? That's because the ISS orbits Earth every 90 minutes. And what about space gardening? Astronauts are growing veggies in space. They've successfully grown lettuce, radishes, and even zinnias. These space crops help us understand how plants grow in microgravity. Next up, let's talk about water. On the ISS, water is a precious resource, and astronauts recycle it, yes, even their sweat and urine, into clean drinking water. This technology could help us live sustainably on Earth and beyond. Space is an extreme environment. Temperatures can swing from boiling hot to freezing cold in minutes. That's why astronauts wear specially designed suits to protect them from these harsh conditions. But what about life beyond Earth? Scientists are constantly searching for signs of extraterrestrial life. They're looking at planets like Mars and moons like Europa, which might have conditions suitable for life. Speaking of Mars, NASA's rovers are exploring the red planet as we speak. They're collecting samples and searching for signs of ancient life. Who knows what amazing discoveries await us there? Space is full of wonders and surprises, and we're just scratching the surface. If you're as fascinated by space life as we are, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible facts and discoveries. Keep looking up and keep dreaming big.